Hey there, Donnie Rosie with Miracle Mountain Ranch, and I've been flying drone here at Miracle Mountain Ranch probably for, I don't know, since 2016. It's how we get a lot of our interesting perspectives and seeing the mountains and the fog. But I got a new drone. This is the Avata by DJI. It's an FPV drone. So I want to fly this around town and kind of give you a bird's eye view and show you how this drone works, because we're going to share a little bit more video of that. So you might be wondering like why I would be wearing this headset. Well, you actually put the headset down, and then when I'm flying the drone, I see the footage right here, kind of in a first person view, and that allows me to go through small places. So check this footage out and see what you think. Oh, I hit something. Okay, so it's got this thing called turtle mode where it'll flip itself back over. Let's try this and see if we can get it to work. No way! It's just flipped over. Okay, let's restart the motors. Yes! Oh, we just took off. We're in the confidence course. So that was our flight. So much fun. We're gonna have a fun time showing this footage and other footage that we can come up with shooting here at Miracle Mountain Ranch, but I hope you enjoy this video.